Good Tuesday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and it's rather cloudy, gray Tuesday, the 28th of June, 2016. And one batch of rain showers moved off the coast early this morning. There's just a few areas here where we have basically just leftover cloudy skies and a shower across the region. If we put on the cloud cover, there's some breaks in the clouds as we exit into western or eastern Pennsylvania, and that will be the case today with a sunshine winning out during the afternoon hours over portions of the area, and an unstable atmosphere also building with more rain showers to our west developing in the heat of the day, and we'll get into that in a moment. Right now we're starting out with temperatures in the upper 60s to low and mid 70s across the region. Morning past the visible satellite imagery this morning shows our clouds in place across the region, and the water vapor channel shows a little bit of lifting here across the eastern portions of New Jersey and down into the Delmarva, and it's scooting off the coast. There's a little bit of dry air building in across Pennsylvania and portions to the west of that. Here's our first band of rain showers that move through during the early morning hours, and another band of rain is going to form in this location here and then move into our forecast region for this afternoon and early evening. On the aviation and weather deck today, we have limited IFR, a little bit of IFR, and some NVFR this morning as the rain and low clouds have hung in across the region. Mainly IFR to NVFR, low-level moisture in place. There could be a transition to some VFR later this afternoon. Two concentrated rounds of precipitation expected today. The first one will affect the southeastern terminals like Millville and Atlantic City this morning, which is already passed off the coast. And the second round later today could have more of an effect on the northwestern terminals like Allentown and Reading. Winds will be mainly from the south at less than 10 knots. More of the same for tonight, at least MVFR conditions. Much of the precipitation should come to an end late. South winds will veer to the west as the front tracks through. Speed should be less than 10 knots. Wednesday through Thursday, after MVFR ceilings move offshore, lingering showers Wednesday morning. VFR conditions expected the remainder of the time. Thursday night through Friday, MVFR and brief IFR conditions with the possibility of any showers and thunderstorms that move through the region during this time frame. And then we clear it out in time for the holiday weekend, mostly VFR conditions expected. Right now outside of Newark, we are in IFR. We've got visibilities at 10 miles, and we've got winds out of the southeast at about 3, temperature 72, dew point 68, humidity 87%. The story today will be those scattered showers and thunderstorms later this afternoon. Philadelphia is also in IFR at the moment, and that will improve during the later morning and early afternoon again. 73 right now, dew point 70, humidity 90%. The wind is south at about 7, visibility 7, and of course today again the vicinity of a shower early this morning and possibly again later this afternoon and early evening. New Jersey surf zone forecast, cloudy today, chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. High temperatures in the upper 70s, beach winds south at about 10 to 15. Surf temperature 70 now, that's getting up there. UVI index at 4. Rip current risk is moderate, never swim alone, always have a flotation device, always swim in lifeguarded areas, and never swim near piers and jetties. There is a moderate threat of lightning today, implies that thunderstorms are possible, especially later this afternoon. The tide information, the next high tide start at 2 o'clock this afternoon across all of the beaches. 7-day temperature forecast, either side of 80 today inland and across the coast with the clouds and showers and thunderstorms about, especially later this afternoon. Temperatures on Wednesday again running generally in the lower 80s across the interior, upper 70s along the coast. South Shore and east ends of Long Island and coastal New Jersey always being cooled by those onshore winds. Temperatures on Thursday warm it up with lots of sunshine, temperatures back into the mid-80s across the interior and around 80 or so at the beach. On Friday, the same story, temperatures mid and upper 80s with a southerly flow. We're going into a warm weekend here, but dry. Saturday is going to be dry and lots of sunshine around after some clouds and some rain showers later Friday night. Temperatures getting back up into the mid and upper 80s again. As the rainfall won't be that substantial, so the ground is still quite dry, and we're in a moderate drought across northeastern Pennsylvania, all of New Jersey, and portions of Long Island and New York City as well. Temperatures on Sunday for the holiday weekend back into the mid and upper 80s and around 80 or so along the coast. Temperatures on the 4th of July. Look at this. Delightful. Temperatures again near normal. Temperatures in the mid 80s across all forecast regions. Cooler along the South Shore and east ends of Long Island. One band of rain is exiting southern New Jersey this morning. That's our one front moving through, and then after that we wait for the next showers and thunderstorms to populate the grids, first over the northwestern sections and then moving into New Jersey during the afternoon hours. Some of these storms could contain very brief heavy downpours, some strong gusty winds, a little bit of lightning, and possibly some small hail. Now, not everyone's going to see them. They'll be scattered about the region as they move into the zones across northwestern New Jersey and then through New Jersey proper. A few more out here in the Poconos by later this afternoon heading into the evening, and they should all move through the region during the early portion of the overnight. And if we extrapolate this out on the NAM, we can see that these showers and thunderstorms will be about the region from west to east across the region into the evening, and they should be dying off as they head off the coast and just some lingering low-level clouds. And showers get out of here early tomorrow morning, and then we're just left over with beautiful weather conditions following for Thursday, Wednesday afternoon, Thursday, and Friday. That will be our next chance of precipitation. We can move this in and move this back up here into its proper position. By the time we get to Thursday afternoon and Friday, well, here comes the next weather maker, and that would be on Friday afternoon and evening, where a few showers could move through the region once again in the afternoon and then off the coast by Saturday morning. Here's the rain showers on Friday afternoon on the GFS, moves off the coast. High pressure builds in for the weekend. It's going to be delightful weather. The front will stall out to our south, but most of the region should remain dry. There could be some outlier showers here early on Sunday with another disturbance moving along the front over the Delaware Valley area and southern tip of New Jersey, but most regions should remain dry across the forecast region into Monday, which is, of course, July 4th. Yes, it's July 4th already. Here comes the next disturbance to our south. This could be producing some precipitation well removed from our forecast zones, maybe the southern tip during Monday night and Tuesday after the holiday weekend ends. And so far for the year, up to about 2 days ago, as the area was tabulated here, we're about 5 to 6.5 inches in northwestern New Jersey, central New Jersey as well, with below normal precipitation. We are in a moderate drought across this region, so we do need the rainfall. So for everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Watch out for those showers and thunderstorms about the region this afternoon and early evening. Drier weather is on the way for tomorrow and Thursday and Friday before a few more showers move in Friday night, later Friday afternoon and Friday night, and then we're setting up for an absolutely delightful 4th of July weekend. I'll be back in video form tomorrow. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+.